The Oppo Find X9 Pro is here, and it's packing some serious power. A Snapdragon 8 Elite 2, a massive 5910 mAh battery, and a 50MP triple camera set. But here's the real question, is it worth your money? Let's break it down. We'll cover everything: the display, performance, cameras, battery life, and special features. By the end, you'll know if this is the phone for you. Let's get started. Starting with design and build, Oppo keeps things sleek with a premium finish, but we don't have official weight and dimensions yet. It's launching in black, and just like most flagships, it's got IP-rated durability to handle everyday wear and tear. Now, the display. Oppo went with a 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED panel with a 1264 by 2780 resolution. The result? Crisp visuals, deep blacks, and buttery smooth refresh rates that adjust dynamically to save battery. Whether you're gaming or just scrolling, it looks fantastic under the hood. We've got the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2. This chip is designed for raw speed and efficiency, making everyday use, gaming, and multitasking feel effortless. With up to 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, there's plenty of power to handle anything you throw at it. Now, let's talk cameras. The 50MP main sensor delivers high-quality shots with better low-light performance and sharp details. Then, there's a 64MP secondary camera and another 50MP sensor, which could be ultra-wide or telephoto. We'll have to wait for more details. The video capabilities? 4K at 30 frames per second and 1080p at up to 60 frames per second, solid for content creators. On the front, you get a 32MP selfie camera that shoots 4K at 60 frames per second. That means your video calls and vlogs will look super sharp and smooth. Battery life? Massive upgrade. Oppo packed in a 5910 mAh non-removable battery, making sure you last all day. Charging speeds aren't confirmed, but expect fast USB-C charging that refuels the phone in no time. Other features? You get Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, eSIM support, and NFC. The in-display optical fingerprint scanner makes unlocking seamless. And of course, it runs on Android 15, with Oppo's custom UI on top. And now, here's something important: there's no official word on the release date or pricing yet. But based on Oppo's usual timeline, we can expect the Find X9 Pro to drop in the first half of the year. As for the price, if Oppo follows last year's pattern, it could land somewhere around $1,000 to $1,200. But that's just an estimate. Until Oppo makes it official, take this with a grain of salt. But once we get a confirmed launch date and pricing details, I'll update you right here, so stay tuned. So, should you buy the Oppo Find X9 Pro? If you want flagship performance, a killer display, and long battery life, this is a solid choice. But if you're using last year's model, the upgrade might not feel huge. Let me know in the comments, are you getting this one or waiting for something better? And if this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more mobile reviews. See you in the next one.